O! O kurwa! Co się dzieje?
Nature always knows how to take our breath away in awe. Let's witness the incredible moments no one could have predicted.
This looks like nighttime.
Oh, here it goes.
Have you ever witnessed lightning this close? In just a few minutes, everything became a memory. It swept away everything, a terrifying scene with floodwaters carrying mud and trees. Luckily, the man escaped just in time. The consequence of ignoring the warning right in front of you. A rare event where a tornado combined with fire. This isn't an effect, this is the aftermath of wildfires in Canada.
This looks like nighttime in the day. I'm in front of the town hall where just wow.
A pod of humpback whales gathered near the shore. Could this be a sign of an upcoming disaster? If you're lightweight, it's best to find shelter. Don't be like the people in the video.
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. I knew it.
Have you ever seen flying fish? Its speed is truly incredible. Ice Cave in Iceland, a place you must visit to truly admire its beauty. Let's watch this crab's journey of building a house out of sand. Pretty perfect, isn't it? This blue flame is caused by sulfur burning in an oxygen-rich environment. It looked like the cloud was swallowing everything. The storm cloud stretched across the sky like a sign of the approaching doomsday. There's nothing funny about this case. This is a dangerous situation. Signaling lightning is about to strike in this area. The reproductive process of coral is considered one of the most beautiful events in nature. The storm rearranged objects the way it wanted. The unexpected earthquake in Nepal. Tornado columns appeared simultaneously in Muntinlupa City, Philippines.
Katakot.
Pierdolę! Ja pierdolę! O! O! O kurwa! Co się dzieje? O! Ja pierdolę! Kurwa!
The reverse waterfall in Chile created a remarkable sight as the water flew upward into the air. A swarm of dragonflies is migrating in search of new food sources.
I have never seen anything like this in my life.
Gannets dive down to attack a school of herring in Trinity Bay, Newfoundland. This is a phenomenon that occurs when an ant colony loses its leader. It's time for you to like and follow me if you find the video helpful. And now let's continue watching. This stunning image occurs when the rainy season arrives at Lenqua Maranhenses National Park, Barreirinhas, Brazil. beach in Greece was covered in white silk spun by millions of spiders. If these images took you by surprise, the upcoming videos will surely move you too. Hit subscribe so you won't miss the next incredible moments.